Google reviews are not created equal. In other words, not all of them can be taken as face value. I have, along with the marketing people in the office here, we've obviously are thinking about pretty much on a daily and weekly basis, what is that we can do, what can we do information-wise to help educate potential clients of why it is they should select our firm versus other firms. And of course the internet is the pretty much the medium by which law firms are generally chosen these days. You may be influenced by TV commercials or billboards or whatever, but at the end of the day, you're probably going to get to a device in order to find a number, or some people to find a lawyer. And many people use reviews for goods and services these days. It's a little tougher to do it with services because you have to be careful about what the reviewer is reviewing. Here's why that's important. Obviously, if you get online and you're on Amazon and you're trying to buy, I don't know, a new blender, you're going to read the reviews for that blender. But you're not going to click on the reviews for that blender until you've gotten the product selected. Then you're going to read the reviews for that specific blender. Not all blenders, not hand blenders and counter blenders and portable blenders and manual blenders. You don't want to read all the reviews for all blenders. You want to read the reviews for that particular blender. So that's with goods, right? Services are harder because legal services sometimes include things other than personal injury cases. So you want to make sure that the firm's reviews that you are reading are for the services that you're actually looking for. So for instance, if you're looking for a personal injury lawyer, you want to make sure the law firm's reviews are personal injury reviews, not just random reviews, right? But personal injury reviews. Did that lawyer in that law firm handle that case, that personal injury case, well enough to get a review from the personal injury client? And is the review a personal injury review? So sometimes you could have a law firm that does different stuff, criminal work, personal injury work, divorce work, and then they have a generic review that says 5 stars, great lawyer. Okay, well, I'm not sure that review means as much as one that says 5 stars. I had a personal injury case. I took the personal injury case to them. They worked on it for years and years, and they got me a great result. I think those, when you lay those reviews side by side, the one that generically recommends a lawyer that does a bunch of different stuff, and the one that says, I had a personal injury case and I hired this personal injury lawyer and they get me a great result, that review means a lot more than a generic review. So we encourage our personal injury clients to give personal injury reviews because we're a personal injury firm. And that's what we do, and that's all we do. So when you're reading reviews and you say, oh, look, this person has 400 reviews and this firm has 200 reviews, make sure those reviews are all personal injury reviews and not just generic reviews. I also make it a point to not allow people to just give me 5 stars if they're a friend of mine or my neighbor, or I worked on a project for them that had nothing to do with personal injury cases. I don't want those reviews. I only want people reviewing me that I have provided a personal injury service to, so that that review has credibility and actually has meaning to the people looking at and reading those reviews as potential clients. I want potential clients to know what they're getting by listening to and reading the reviews of other personal injury clients. So when you're reading Google reviews, make sure you read them for their substance. Don't just look at the numbers. Some weeks we have the most locally, some weeks other firms have the most locally. Who cares about that? Look at the substance of the reviews. If your firm that you're looking at has a lot of reviews and they have a lot of personal injury reviews and most of them are personal injury clients, then you can and you're looking for a personal injury lawyer, that's a pretty reliable way to choose. So we would encourage you to do that. You can find us on the web at zarzaurlaw.com. You can call us at 855-HIRE-JOE. We encourage you to read our reviews. We're going to put a link to those underneath this video so you can look at our personal injury reviews and read what our personal injury clients say about their personal injury cases and the work here that we did for them. Thank you.